Hi, everybody. Joe and I thought that it might be helpful to give you some insight into the Architecture of Love workshop that we're doing on Saturday. And just maybe, we might be able to seduce you into spending half a day with us as we unfold some new concepts that you possibly may not have ever heard of. So most people think that Joe and I are just relationship coaches or just love coaches. And while yes, we are love coaches, that expands much further than personal relationships. And what we want you to know is that literally everything that we do with people, individuals, is around creating a healed, healthy, happy life that they long for, that you have been searching for, maybe in all the wrong places.
You know, I went on an inquiry to dive inside about 10 years ago and really committed to, I'd had the success, I had the family, I had the material stuff, and still I was like, there's got to be more to life than this. And my journey, the past 10 years, part of that journey included a divorce. And that was quite a surprise to me. I didn't see it coming. And gentlemen, if you've been through a divorce, I'm willing to guess that you probably didn't see it coming either. Right beyond the divorce, met Denise, who invited me into an opportunity of relationship that I had no idea was even possible, that I didn't even know could exist. A relationship that fostered authenticity, that created value without doing any harm. In fact, when Denise and I first met, she said, "Joe, you're never going to be my problem. You will only and ever be my opportunity to address that which is within me that requires my attention." What? Never in trouble? She said, "I'll never say an unkind word to you." I was like, hold on. That sounds like something you would say at the beginning of a relationship. And as we were at the beginning of a relationship, I was like, well, okay, I'll step into this experiment. I'll step into this experiment with you. What do I have to lose? I'm going to move on from here. At some point, I'm going to move on, but I'm captivated. You've captivated my attention. What we hope to do with this Architecture of Love workshop is captivate your attention to seeing the possibilities for the relationship that you are currently in. So I'm not saying you need to divorce your spouse and jump into a new relationship where you can practice these things. Is to work on the relationship from the inside that you're already in. Use these techniques that we'll be sharing with you in this workshop to improve the relationship that you're in and watch the magic. This is magic. It's science, but I like to think of it as magic. It's magic, and it kept me so close. I'm sure that the healing that you're looking for, that you may not even know is available. Denise and I speak about this regularly. We didn't even know that this kind of relationship was available. Well, Denise suspected it. I'm new to the game. We invite you into a deeper, more beautiful experience with love.
What I want to emphasize is that I'll give you just a little taste of what you're going to experience, is that most people don't realize that these intimate relationships, not just the romantic relationship, but the intimate relationships that we have even with our children, with our parents, the people that are the really closest to us, that we are the most vulnerable with, the most authentic with, that these relationships are actually designed for our healing. Has it ever occurred to you that the conflict that you're experiencing is actually an invitation, something to move toward? Because right on the other side of what is driving you nuts about your partner or your children or your parents is something that you've been longing for. But you have to know how to dig for that buried treasure, and Joe and I are going to show you how to do that.
we invite you to our Architecture of Love workshop this Saturday from 10 to 2 in Huntington Beach. Details will be below this post. There is going to be a lot of beautiful experiences that we're hoping to have with you. All that is required is an open mind, and we'll open up your heart a little bit and bless you with some beautiful wisdom.
Yes. All right, you guys.
We'll see you the next time.
Cheers to love.
Cheers to love.
We'd love to have you join us.
Look at how beautiful my wife looks in this light. It's, wow, stunning, you're glowing.
Oh, love does that. Love has that effect, you guys. It is the anti-aging product, I guess, that all the women have been searching for.
It looks good on you.
Thank you.
So good on you.